Hello, my name is LS-DYNA, and I'm going to talk about the new extra history variables available for the data component matte glass in D3plot19. Recently, we have noticed that the material matte glass has been increasing in popularity due to its capability to predict in laminated glass. Because of this, we have decided to add new extra history variables for this material. If you have a valid ZTF file written from Primer, you can access the results from the Material Properties category in the Data Components menu. As a reminder, ZTF files contain extra information not in the normal LS-DYNA database files. It is a static file that contains no time history data, but information such as part, section, and load data. Additional details about what has been added and the descriptions can be found in the table shown. Now I will demonstrate how to view these new extra history variables for MAT 280 in D3plot. After opening up the model, under the Data tab, click on the Category drop-down box and select Material Properties. Then, under Components, select one of the available components for MAT 280 from the list. For this demonstration, I will select SH crack flag. To view the results, press CT. Thank you for watching.